Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Chart Patterns Mastery / Simpler Trading free video for Tuesday, August 8th. What is today about? Market's still holding support, amazingly holding support as you see in here. That big support around 370. That's when the market looked like it was going to implode today, and guess what? It held. There's the NASDAQ. I can take off a lot of these drawings. And you'll see right there that it held. Look at that. Held right in that area for now. For now. All we're doing in here is getting this kind of thing where you're getting these MACDs to do this while the market's forming a big old top. It hasn't made a top yet, but it sure looks like it needs to get under that. Right there. Under this zone. And what's happening is this. You're getting a 4-hour doing nothing, as you see down here. You're seeing a 1 hour every time it gets oversold, like down here and here, it stops going down. I know I'm not trying to be glib. It just stops going down, especially look at this one. This one right here. At support, oversold. The key is that after that oversold at support. Oversold at some support. Now it's overbought at resistance. How am I going to try to play this? I'm just going to play intraday because so many things are moving intraday. So might as well trade it like that. Just to let you know, in our Chart Patterns Mastery, the end of the day, all we did was get chopped up in things like Amazon. Even the SPX was almost impossible. So just keep that in mind in there. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go and I'm going to decide tomorrow how I'm going to play this. Usually what I do when markets get overbought at resistance, I look for the stocks that already have topping formations. So when I go into the biggies, the Amazon, is that a topping formation? Not necessarily. I don't want something like that on the right. I want it to be more horizontal like NVIDIA. I know this stock's extremely scary, but this is the type of thing I'm looking for. Those type of things. And that if it breaks, it has an air hole at least to down here. So it has nothing till there. Like Kramer used to say when he was talking about Bear Stearns and the Fed, they know nothing. They know nothing. I love to imitate them when it comes to that, even though my imitation stinks. So right now, NVIDIA still forming a top. How about Microsoft? It's already formed a top. That's how tops form. You get that blow off top. Then you get that right there. Little head and shoulders. Then you get all the way down. You get these bearish patterns. You get this over here on a 4-hour and so on. Now, where could Microsoft stop? Well, the big support is near here, right near where it is. Risk reward isn't there. I think NVIDIA could have a good risk reward, no doubt about it, and also a number of other ones. How about Meta? Well, Meta you see on the right. If it doesn't hold there, it could fill that. Or it could be a bull flag. I'll respect the break in either direction. How about Netflix? Yesterday, they couldn't get enough of it. As you see, it's still holding, and I could redraw this. So you could draw it like this, and it's still a possible bear flag. It's just that when these things get on a 4-hour oversold, it could get more oversold, no doubt. But yesterday, the price action dictated to back away on the short side. Now, tomorrow, if the markets are up and this refuses to go up, darn right, I'll play it to the downside. The same with this. Amazon, many times, like one of our loyal subscribers mentioned, many times after earnings, it does this. It goes nuts and then craps out. So I'm going to look for that tomorrow. If I see it acting bad relative to the markets, darn right, I'm going to figure something like that to figure on how to short it. But when it comes to the broad markets, I'm telling you, there's certain stocks that are finally showing life at support. I've been waiting for PANW in this zone. And if you're going to play it ultra short term, you have to see that. Then you have to see a bull flag. It was just a little late in the day, but that's what I'm looking for. How about GNRC, the hurricane stock? Darn right, that went right down to support. And now it's trying to form some kind of bull flag. This has a lot of damage, but it had a nice bounce from the support at 106.5. How about on an hourly chart? Not yet. How about on a 15? Nah, it's getting there. Finally have that. If that breaks, sure, it could fill the gap at a 111. So I hope you like this. Like I said, a lot is going to matter on how the NASDAQ navigates that big resistance when it's overbought on an hourly chart. Have a great night. Talk to you later. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.